Okay, we're here. This is the blizzard here in East Coast, Maryland. This is a highway. This is Falls Road, and see that intersection there? It's all covered up with snow. See the blizzard coming on our way. And my friend here, Ilona, is trying to salvage this car. It was totally covered with snow the first time we got here. We just tried to take some of it so people can see that there's a car in there, or else it will be buried. We're just thinking that maybe the snow people, the one who cleans the street, might bump into it, then recognize that there's a car right in the corner. That's the building. That's our building there. That's where we live. And see that the black thing right over there? That's a tree. It fell from the snow. Probably it can't it wasn't able to hold that the amount of snow it got in. Now there's the Shell station. It's closed. See the snow covering the area? Yeah. Yeah, and this is the car here trying to get up to the building, to the parking lot, but it wasn't able to. So he stopped in there, just right here. There's a car here trying to pass through Falls Road, but see. But I know he will be back, because there's a falling trees in there. You have to go back. You can't pass that area. There's a falling tree.
Falls Road and Northern Parkway, Baltimore, Maryland.
Let's see.
Full of ice, snowy environment.
That's crazy. I want you guys look at this. See that orange thing in there? That used to be like 4 feet. Yeah, that's 4 feet. But look, 1/3 of it, 3/4 of it is already covered. That's how thick. That's how thick the snow is. And see that waiting shed? It's all covered up with snow. It's crazy. Then there's another car here trying to get some gas. He's trying to get some gas, but I don't think he's gonna get some gas because it's closed. What he's trying to do? Some telephone? I don't know. But it's crazy. Now this is the main street. This is the main street. Northern Parkway. See? See the blizzard, the wrath of the blizzard. You can see me, see? It's a highway, but it's closed. Nobody gets through it.